Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Maxine. Now, I'm asking you guys please to help Maxine with this. Her son had an accident and he needs a wheelchair. She's asking for your assistance in getting him a wheelchair, which he will need. So can you please help her with this, everyone? I know if we put our hands and hearts together, then we can do it. So um, reach out to her with the information that she left. The She has Cash App and other ways or other means of getting the money. So please reach out to her with the information she left and donate so that her son could get a wheelchair. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for helping as always. As we are one, and giving, is very good. You give and you will also receive. Thank you.
Out here and asking for a wheelchair for my son who will need a wheelchair would be a problem. I never know it would be a problem. Who is that coming up the step? Tayden. Go back downstairs. Go back downstairs. Your 5 minutes is over. Tayden. Yes? Don't let me come down there and take away the phone and the tablet from you. You need to take her right now. Okay. Thank you. Guys, I never ever knew in a million years that me coming on here and asking for help would be such a problem. If all the people that I help in this world could just come and said, Maxine, thank you, here's $1, I would be a millionaire. I would be a millionaire. I would be a millionaire. I never know coming here asking for help. Hi, Carl. Please, guys, if you could go on my YouTube channel, please. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Where does people draw the line? Where? Where do you draw the line? People, like and share on the YouTube, please. Like and share on the YouTube. Like and share Facebook too. I never know that I should be so embarrassed to hold my head down. Yes, I did tell them. Tommy, all who is on Facebook, could you please go over on the YouTube channel? If you can, that's fine. But for those of you who can, it will help me to grow. Please do. Please go over. Those of you who is on the Facebook who can use YouTube, you can go over there, please. Stephanie? They have big live this morning. And then laugh and them go on with themselves and then say, see, the God turn, see what God do with them there? See what God do with them there? Yes, Stephanie. Then laugh. And the little nastiness where they are Canada go call about how him have a wheelchair. And the little no good one what they are the lizard over the pan what can't even read and write. Which one of them? The one where you plug in? The one where you plug in the little nastiness. I do, Lord help me today to keep my composure, Jesus. Father God, help me today to keep my composure. Yes, it was me. Yes, it was me because I come on here. And if anybody had known, I mean, it's not easy. I'm not traveling an easy road right now. I didn't call down anything on myself. And I'm pretty sure God did not give them justification to say, I'm going to do this to Maxine. I'm going to do this to Maxine kids. Nothing that I done have to do with my son's accident. Nothing. Because if my son had listened to me, he would never be in that accident. He would never have a bike. He would never be in that accident. And for them to sit over there laughing and talking about, see there, any one of them you see with Donna, any one of them you see with Donna, they have to get a downfall. The restaurant one and the this one and they have to fall and they have to fall and God they make them fall in front of their face. God now make nothing happen in front of their face. Wise up. Uno get up off on the backside. Uno get up and look. God is not making nothing happen for you to laugh. Nothing. This is not a justice for none of uno. This is not vindication for none of uno. Uno not have the rights or nothing to even laugh about nobody. Much more people's sickness. Uno go and sit there and laugh. Look what God made that happen to me so uno could sit and laugh. Please. Uno, please. Not my God what me serve. And for them, the nastiness, what they call over there, the nastiness, them, because the whole of them are nastiness. All of them. Every single one of them. Look what God they make happen to me. Look. Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. Please join me on my YouTube channel, Elderly Mac. If you're not, is back. If you're not subscribed already, please do so. Because I need to reach I need to reach it. Because then, if you say me they struggle after them thief me page from me. After them thief and shut it down. Them a laugh, say me over here, they struggle and me can't even make it. Me can't even make it. You know what? No, God not make nothing happen to me. That's why no can laugh. Believe me. I didn't have to come out here and said nothing. Believe me. I did not have to come out here and said nothing. I never have to come and say nothing. I'm not embarrassed. I'm not ashamed or nothing because all I do in my life is good. Good. Even for you, nastiness over across the pond. Even for you. The time you over there, they laugh and something. All of the clothes and boot them where you credit from down here. You still not pay for them yet. Send the money come. All the money that you owe me, you could send it back now. Because I will gladly take it back. I will gladly take it, my girl. I would gladly take it because you do owe me a lot of money. All of the merchandise, them when me thief down here and sell it to you, please send the money come. The time you over there, they laugh. But in America, over 40 odd years and come on Facebook, they beg. You've been begging from day one. You the one who come out here and say, you're not put up Cash App, you're not put up this and you're not put up that. But yet for all, you put it up. You say God couldn't kill you if you go on YouTube. You are on there. You've been on there. You and all of the nastiness, them will follow you, been on there. Me not gonna make God vex with me if you can answer una. Me not gonna make God vex with me because I am so blessed and highly favored. I am so blessed. I am not even gonna make none of you draw me out. None of you. None of you. I never know. I never know I could have called sickness upon myself. Me never know say me couldn't go to store go buy sickness. And no for uno make me stay or me stay right now because even if me went sick, I wasn't that bad. I wasn't that bad because uno suck out every blood. Uno suck every blood out of my body. Every blood. Every blood. And still they suck. Still they suck. You understand? And still they suck uno little nastiness. I don't even know how to class uno. My big